All right, what's up, guys? I just wanted to do a quick market update and discussion. I'm gonna be walking around because this is the first couple days of any sun we've seen, because I live in Seattle, unfortunately. I'm gonna enjoy some rays here. Yeah, but let's talk about the market volatility. Past couple days. So yesterday, I think the S&P 500 dropped about 140 points, so negative 140 points. And remember, the S&P 500 is basically the 500 biggest companies in the United States. So there's a lot of funds and ETFs and mutual funds that basically follow the S&P 500 index. So the S&P dropped 140 points yesterday. And then I actually put in some buy orders in last night to hope and catch some of that drop, but unfortunately, fortunately or unfortunately, depending on your perspective, it popped up and market, I think, was up 60 points today, so I didn't really catch much of that drop. So big ups, big downs. And probably the market volatility, sorry, I'm just trying not to get ran over here. Yeah, so the market volatility probably caused by geopolitical issues, probably because Trump announced he is going to take over, invade Greenland. So that's probably why the market went crazy. So I'm still taking a lunch break from work today, so I haven't had a chance to read the updates and see what he said today. But if you were watching the markets yesterday, you probably were able to get some good deals, buy at a good discount. I mean, I think the S&P probably only dropped like maybe 2 or 3% yesterday, but I'm sure tech dropped a lot more. So if you're into like QQQ ETF or VGT, any of the tech ETFs, you probably could have got a good discount, or any of the tech stocks in general. Netflix. Netflix had a big drop. Guess the market didn't like its earnings report. I think it dropped like -7% at opening, but it did pop back up to today, probably because the rest of the market went up. So it dropped 7% last night in pre-trading, and then I think it went up probably another 2 or 3% today. So do your due diligence, but I did pick up a couple shares of Netflix. And then I put in some orders for my S&P 500 fund. Again, not giving financial advice, but I like VTI. I put in some buy orders for VTI and some other ETFs that I liked. Fortunately, they didn't trigger, it doesn't look like. So the pre-market opening, Pre-market opening, the prices were still pretty low, so it must have popped up right before the market opened this morning. But who knows? Gonna keep an eye on the market the next few days with the volatility. It might drop again tomorrow. No way to tell unless you're psychic. But I think more likely than not, we'll probably have more volatility, depending on what Trump says next. One tweet or one announcement and market could fall again, so who knows. I'm sure everybody's seen the Trump taco trade. I think it's an acronym for Trump always chickens out, or basically he basically changes his mind frequently from day to day on what he wants to do, and that frequently causes the market volatility because the market doesn't like unknowns. So it wants no change is the best usually. No changes in news or the economy is what the market likes the best. So usually the stock market will slowly go up if there's no changes in anything. So we'll see. Let's see, today's Wednesday, so we have 2 more trading days left in the week. So I'm definitely interested in seeing what Thursday and Friday looks like. I think if tomorrow we have more positive, then we might be in the clear. But I think there's always a 50-50 chance that might be negative again tomorrow. So if you're looking for a good point or discount point to buy in, keep your eye on the market, because you might have another chance to grab up some ETFs or stocks that you're interested in. I have my auto orders in, just waiting for some stuff to trigger. All right, so let me know what your opinion is, or stocks or ETFs you're looking at. Drop it in the comments and let's talk about it. All right, have a good day, guys. I'm gonna enjoy the sun and my lunch. Okay, so correction, the S&P 500 dropped about 140 points yesterday, and then it bounced back up about 80. I think it closed up 80 points today, or is a positive 80-point climb today before it closed again. So yeah, so big ups, big downs. Excited to see what tomorrow looks like.